Salvete omnes. Let's start with Book 4 of Virgil's Aeneid, line 160. Interea magno misceri murmure caelum incipit, insequitur commixta grandine nimbus, et Tyrii comites passim et Troiana juventus, Dardaniusque nepos veneris diversa per agros, tecta metu petiere, ruunt de montibus omnes. Meanwhile, the sky begins to be troubled by a great murmur. A storm cloud follows, with hail having been mixed in, and, here and there, the Tyrian companions, and the Trojan youth, and the Dardanian grandson of Venus, sought shelters through the diverse fields from fear. Streams rush down from the mountains. So this section is really just beginning to set the setting for what is about to happen next. In this part of Book 4, the royal household of Dido and the Trojan guests have gone out in a hunt. They've gone out in a hunting party, hunting for deer and other animals. So what happens here, everyone gets split up. They get split up by a storm through the diverse fields. These are all seeking shelter from the rain and lightning. So they end up being spread out into different places. It hasn't told us where Dido and Aeneas have ended up yet, but we'll find that out in the next few lines. Up here in this first line, we definitely have some alliteration. We've got magno misceri murmure. It's really making that M sound, like the murmuring of the clouds, the noise that storm clouds make. And then down here we have an ablative absolute, commixta grandine, with hail having been mixed in. Remember, sequor or insequor is a deponent, so it looks passive, but you translate it as active. So this part translates, a storm cloud follows with hail having been mixed in. In this next part, Virgil is just telling us about how the storm is splitting everybody up. These are all seeking shelter. Down here we have metu, which is likely an ablative of cause. They sought shelters from fear because of fear of the storm. Remember petiere. Remember the word is peto petere. So if this were infinitive, this would be petere, not petiere, because this is actually syncopated, short for petierunt.